You're probably aware that SQL Server has a bunch of functions that you can use for different purposes, but did you realize you can create your own? This is called a user-defined function, again, a database object bound to the database, precompiled code and owned by the creator, in this case, me. Right now I'm doing this. Best practices for user-defined functions, DBO or SA creates and grants permissions. One operation, do it well and do it fast. Don't do error checking inside a UDF. High resource requirements and the very, very great need for speed. We're going to use the CIAC database, and we're going to create a function to convert date-time displays. So because there's indexed views built on some of the tables in this database, ANSI nulls on, quoted identifier on. Create the function and give it a name. The input parameters will be date time and then a format. And this is the format that you want to see the date time in. Okay. The column that you've given it as an input parameter. And it's going to return in variable character format, not in datetime format, in variable character format, whatever it is you've asked it to. Inside this user-defined function, there are a plethora of different date-time formats for the conversion. If the conversion that you need is not in this UDF, then you can take this code, add your specific conversion requirement to this, recompile, and run it. So now that we've got this compiled, let's go ahead and test it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select a segment of the data from the archive table, the order header archive, and just the adds, just the add operations. And what I'm looking at is the archive date, and what I want to see instead of this standard format here is a day, month, year output. So here I have the archive date, I have the day, month, year output. How about, notice how the archive date, it's a 24-hour time, and let's say that I'm creating a report or I'm just not comfortable with 24-hour, so let's convert that 24-hour to regular time. And there you have it.